Hey, how you doing, YouTube? Wanted to get back to you today. Precious Metals Hub. Silver got smashed. It's down quite a bit. I'm gonna get to that in a second. There's a YouTube channel. Arizona passes bill gold and silver as legal tender, and that's just the Senate passing the bill. It's moving to the House for consideration, and then off to the governor's desk for signature. Hopefully this year she will not. Governor Jan Brewer of Arizona will not veto this bill. Lots of news on it. 15,000 results on Google. Here I am on the first page, not where I should be. The top 3 is where you should be. But that's 10th Amendment Center, which is, I think, the originator of this type of bill. And this type of bill is going to go state to state. Utah has already passed it. Constitutional tender laws. Ben Swann is in the news lately. Is going to be having his own broadcast at Republic Broadcasting. But check this out. Republic Broadcasting got hacked. This is what happens when you do something, when you know you're doing something good when your website gets hacked. So it's great music. I don't know how long they're going to keep this up. But someone, this guy, I don't even want to pronounce his name, give him credit for anything. But there you go. You talk the truth, you get hacked. It's awesome. But anyways, Ben Swann's going to show up on Republic Broadcasting to have his own show. Not sure what the time slots are yet, but keep posted. Republic Broadcasting is not part of the corporate media, so it's very important. Ben Swann also has been reporting on the legalization of industrial hemp, and Virginia is the next in line. Now, I hope that this all has to do with the 10th Amendment, nullifying the laws of the federal government. And a big part of it is the 10th Amendment Center. Each state has a 10th Amendment Center, so go visit them, support them. Let's get rid of this federal government regulation crap. For instance, if everybody, I think this, I think Virginia, if it's going to become legal to grow industrial hemp, I think it's the 4th one there to do this. And industrial hemp is so important because it'll allow each state to be so independent. Farmers, distribution, products, textiles, 10,000 products you can make with hemp. So it's very important. Support the 10th Amendment. Some zero hedge stuff. Let's get rid of this. Here we go. Another successful banker found dead. Now this is closer to home here. He was found dead in Scottsdale, Arizona. I live in the mountains of Arizona, but this guy was a successful banker. And that Zero Hedge is reporting up to 9. Some other people are reporting up to, this is the 13th, 12th, or 13th. He was found on the 19th. Survived by 3 sons and 4 daughters. I guess he lived in Scottsdale, but he joined Citibank in New York City in 1969, and that's when he started his long, successful career. He was a successful banker for more than 30 years. So there you have it. And Zero Hedge is listing the 9 bankers so far, either suicided. Thing is about this one, the family is not telling the media how he died, or is trying to keep it secret. I don't know how long that's going to last. But the family does not want to say how he died. Here, a family spokesperson did not say what caused the death. So it could be a simple heart attack by injection, stroke by, food additive. It's a dangerous world. Who knows what's going on? But a lot of these scandals are being tied into a Forex currency scandal, manipulation scandal. So there you have it. Here you go. It's Zero Hedge again. Obviously, always in the news. And a few weeks ago, there was an article on Financial Times giving evidence of gold and silver currency manipulation from 2010 to 2013. Here it reads, revealed that global gold prices have been manipulated on 50% of the occasions between January 2010 and December 2013. Well, anywho, Financial Times took that site down, or took that article down. Here is the article though. Zero Hedge puts it up. Gold price rigging fears put investors on alert. And this all has to do with the investigations of Interpol, the Fabian German regulators, Deutsche Bank falling out of the price fixing in the London Bank, so on and so forth. Great read. Everyone knows that the markets are manipulated. First it started with gold and silver, with GATA. Then, it's just now blatant, in your face. We know we're doing it. What are you going to do about it? The Fed doesn't care. That kind of situation. So, I don't know. Like I said, it's a dangerous world. Well, here we have it. Silver is down 74 cents. But if you look at the weekly chart, we're doing all right. It's still above the weekly trend line. And here we have, I put the RSI, Relative Strength Index. Here we have the 8 is in the red, and then the green is the longer term 13 moving average. But here we have, you can see that the spike and then the retracement. So this is a minor retracement here, but they really just took it down overnight. They took it all the way to 22, and then they took it all the way down. It looked like overnight it was going to take off, but it did not. It's retracing back to the moving average, the weekly trend moving average of the 34s. So we're still in good shape. It just gives you another opportunity, and I bet you the Chinese are buying the hell out of it too, because they know only 1% of Americans are buying gold and silver, but it's something like 30% in China. So I don't know about what's going on. No one seems to care. Just make sure you get that Federal Reserve note in your pocket, because sooner or later it's going to be worthless. So here we have the gold price, and it's down today too, nearly $14, 1% of its value. But it hasn't pulled back yet to the moving average. Usually in a free market, these things once it breaks out, reaches its next high and then retraces. But as we see in this silver manipulated market, it broke out and then was quickly taken back. So I think they're just hanging on as much as they can, as long as they can. This should have gone to 24 almost instantly. You see, like this, from just one move, just bam, and then retraced. Called a bullish retracement after its move. But now it's got a just a minimal bullish retracement. So it broke out just a little bit, and now it's retracing all the way back. The only other thing that we can consider is it might be a head fake over the trend line and then just tumble to its natural lows because the feds are printing money left and right, hand over fist. And you can't embarrass the corporation, okay? You cannot embarrass the corporation. They will try to keep this price low. Nothing to see here. Anyways, visit my website. Like I said, I redid it. I like it a lot better. It's a lot faster. I just had to recalculate or recalibrate everything. Here I have all my social activity online. Join me on Liberty and Constitution on Facebook group. Here at YouTube, LinkedIn, Google+, Twitter, and you can follow me on RSS feed. There you have it. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay in there and keep buying gold and silver. And like I said, you got gold, silver bullion coins, and gold IRAs from American Bullion. Get this metals card. Regal Assets is #1 in IRAs. And JM Bullion is the best online service. So on, so forth. This metals card is going to be a game changer, guys. Check this out, metals card. Let me just go through this just a little bit. Perpetual Assets is now offering clients a precious metals access card. Now you can buy from Perpetual Assets or deliver to Perpetual Assets your precious metals, and they will give you a debit card which you can use freely. And it's structured such as the debit card works in the same way that someone would go to a dealer to buy gold and silver. You go to the dealer and you pay asking price, right? So the next day you want to sell it. Oh, I forgot I could pay a bill. I gotta sell it. So you go back to the dealer. All right. Well, the dealer is going to buy it back at the bid price. So the bid and ask price are always set at market. So for example, I deposit my precious metals into a debit card account, a certain amount of gold and silver, and then I use the debit card. The cost of using the debit card is the same. It's actually paid for with the bid and ask prices. So you deposit, you get asked. You go to the grocery store. You're selling at bid. You get it? It's the same as just going to the dealer, but you have it on a debit card. This is a game changer. Everyone should have one of these cards. You shouldn't put all your money into it, but you should certainly get one. Put some money on it. Hold some physical assets. Alright guys, thanks for coming by. Talk to you soon.